Hey guys, welcome back to BushFish'n'Cook. So today we'll be doing a catch and cook of the yellowfin bream caught in the last video. Now we're actually going to get him, fillet him, take off his skin, take out all the bones and baste some nice pieces of yellowfin bream. I'll show you the mixture we're going to do. Let's just jump into it and get cooking. Let's get started. I'm going to be using half a lime. Juice in here. Now we've got some lemon pepper here as well. Chuck about a tablespoon of that in. And put about 200 mils Japanese style soy sauce, sorry. A touch more. Just a little bit more lime juice. Just mix that up. Is our 30cm bream, so I'm going to go ahead, remove his head. Just to make this easier, I'm just going to remove from underneath the fin here, up behind the other fin, take all that off as well. You can cook that piece, there's nothing wrong with eating it, but I'm going to be eating this fish to myself anyway, so I don't think I'll bother putting that extra in. There's plenty here for me. Okay, now that we've removed that, fillet this fish. Oh, this is looking like a shopping job. Right, it's gotta happen sometimes. Probably not as bad as what I thought. We got most of the meat off there. Okay, let's go ahead and flip over to the other side, known as the harder side, I would say. I like to kind of just start a small incision there, next to the backbone, and then flip it over. This way, but then again, I'm not the best at filleting, so I'm sure some people will say I'm doing this wrong. That's fine. Got most of the meat off that one as well. Lost a bit, but very, very close. Okay, so we've got our two fillets here. Now we're going to find that rib bone along there. Just remove them ribs. Just like to try and really follow the ribs so you can save as much meat as possible. So that's the rib bones right there. From one fillet, follow them on the second. You can usually follow around the back of them, but sometimes on these bigger fish it can be a little tough. Probably took off a little excess compared to what I needed to there, but anyway. Okay, so got 2 fillets. Let's go ahead and remove the skin from these. Just like to get a little slice in under there, lift a little bit of skin off. Put my thumb on that. So I'm gonna have my arm in the way. I'm trying to do it in a way that my arm is not in the way of the video. Let's see if I can get a bit better shot there. Just slightly angled towards the skin. Sorry, I'm doing this on a bad angle for myself, but as you can see, that's how it works. Just slowly along there and you'll peel the skin back. Right, that's one off. As you can see, a few little bits and pieces there, but no drama. Get the other one sorted. You can see I've sort of just peeled back the skin a touch to get it started. Same thing as the other one, but I'll do this one the way that I feel comfortable to do it. I'll make it a bit easier for me. It's just a bit awkward from the angle I have the camera. I think I might set it up behind me next time to show what I'm doing. But anyway, that's it. 2 nice fillets there. Now, there's our fillet. Along the back here, there's a whole bunch of just small bones down the middle. So I like to pretty much just get rid of that part altogether. Feel the bones there. Find them as well. And just separate the rest of the fillet along there. Remove that part. More bone on the edge there. That. Now these pieces have absolutely no bones in them. So we'll probably get a few pieces just like this. 1, 2, probably a little small. Go 3 and 4. Get the other one. Them same bones running along the middle there. Just going to cut them out. There, that extra bone comes out. Another nice boneless, skinless chunk there. Feel along this edge, sometimes you get a couple more left over ones. Just very little bones along there. Okay, that's it, they're all gone. There we have it. A couple of nice pieces of boneless, skinless bream, ready to be put in the pan. Okay, so we're gonna set the pan to a low heat, whack in much of butter there. Wait for that to melt. It's looking already a bit too hot. I'm gonna have to remove it off the heat because this hot plate just gets a little too hot, but it's the best one for me to film the video on. But let's just let that melt. Alright, now all the butter's melted. Go ahead, put the fish in. I hear that little bit of a sizzle, but you just don't want it to be too hot, otherwise the butter will burn. And that's not going to make for very good fish. You're going to end up burning the fish as well. Okay, now here's the baste we made. Go ahead, put that on the fish. Very strong, so you don't need to do this too much. You probably don't need as much soy sauce as what I put in, but you don't want to run out either. Okay, so probably been in there about a minute or so. Flip it over. Or not. Something's always got to be difficult when you're filming. So you can see that one got a little bit too hot, and this small piece probably got way too hot. Oh no, it's alright. Oh, come on, play nice. Add one more bit of sauce to each of them. Lift that off the heat again. So again, a touch too hot here. Alright, it's looking just about cooked. Yep, you can see, breaking apart, nice and easy. Go ahead and dish that up. Let it rest for a few minutes, and then we'll give it a try. Okay, so dished up, letting it rest. Looks quite nice. And of course, in all the excitement, I forgot to put the chips on. So I'll probably be having my chips after my fish. But anyway, I'll give this a try in a minute. Okay, so we've just let it rest. After dishing it up, looking quite nice. Alright, it's time to taste the fish. Let's see how we go. Here it is. Now, next to it here, on the side, I've just put a bit of garlic sauce. I'm not a fan of tartare, so I like mine with garlic sauce. Let's give it a taste test and see how it goes. That is really good, guys. Alright, definitely give that one a go. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.